Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a LinkedIn post with an image in about 5 minutes. Whether you want to share professional insights, company updates, or simply interact with your network, adding photos can significantly increase your visibility and engagement. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your LinkedIn account. Head to the website and choose to sign in with Google for convenience or use your standard login details. Sometimes, LinkedIn requires a security CAPTCHA to ensure you are not a robot. So don't worry if one pops up. Just complete it to access the site. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your main feed. Look for this Start a Post option at the top of the page. This is your gateway to sharing content, so click it to open the post window. You may already have a message in mind, but remember we are here to add an image. Click on the Add Media button to browse your computer's files and select the picture you want to upload. Choose your image carefully, ensuring it is clear, relevant, and follows LinkedIn's community guidelines. Once selected, click Save to attach the file to your post. We aren't finished yet, as adding informative text alongside your image provides context and encourages more interaction. Take a moment to type your message, such as a professional insight or a question for your network. Make sure your text complements the visual and adds value for your audience. Finally, with everything ready, click the Post button to publish your content. You have now successfully shared an image-based post on LinkedIn. Remember that visual engagement can greatly enhance your reach, so keep experimenting with different content to see what resonates. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your professional journey. Happy posting!